All right, guys, as you can see right over here, I've generated $208.84. What I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and refresh this page so that you can see that the money that you're seeing here is legit and authentic. So if I come up here again, I'm going to go ahead and reload the page. And if I right click inside the page, I'm also going to come over here and refresh the page right here, okay, by clicking on the reload button. Now you can see that the money still remain exactly the same thing. Many of you guys are going to be asking me, what exactly did you use and how did you manage to make this amount using CPAGrip? So many of you guys have been testing and trying different other CPA network. So in this video, I'm going to reveal a strategy that I'm using and how I'm implementing this in order for me to get this exact result. Okay, all you need to do is to stay with me to the end of this video, and if you have any question, feel free to go ahead and ask in the comment section. I'm going to be more than happy to answer all your questions. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the main strategy. So basically, if you come right over to your dashboard, then you're going to be able to see, after logging in, you're going to see so many tools. Okay, I'm going to take time to explain all these tools and what they are standing for. Starting from the dashboard, that is exactly where we are, where you'll be able to see your earnings, okay? So any amount you are making, you are going to be seeing that on your dashboard. But if you come down here, you're going to see statistics and charts. Basically, that is where your entire statistics will show. Then over here, which is most important to us pertaining to whether you are going to be making money or the work you're going to be doing, whether you are doing the work well, are you getting result, and so on, comes from either monetization tools or offer tools like this. Then what we're going to focusing on in this video is any of the two can be very, very effective. Like monetization tools can be effective, offer tools can be effective, but I'm going to explain what each of them stands for. For monetization tools, before you can be able to use the monetization tools, in order for you to be able to promote any CPA offer legitimately and be able to earn from it, you need to actually have a digital item. It is either a video item or an article item or an image describing or solving a particular problem that the audience or the viewers is expecting from you. So, for example, in my own case, I have a course. Now, if you're having a challenge and I'm able to make a video explaining how you can be able to solve your problem in that course, it means I have a digital item that can solve a problem. So that is number one. That's exactly how you be able to make these monetization tools to work for you. So in order for you to promote any offer using the monetization tools, basically you need to create a digital item. For the offer tools, basically it's very simple because these offers, you don't need to have any digital item, you don't need to create any content. They are already made a content for you, okay? And the landing page is available, and all you need to do is to copy the link and then promote it, and you get results. So, but one thing about the offer tools is that they are synonymous to a specific country. This means that you need to promote each of the offers based on the valid country that is specified by that particular offer before you go ahead and start looking for audience where you're going to promote it or where you're going to actually get the traffic from. So it is either you focus on United States or you focus on Australia or you focus on any other country based on the offer itself. So you need to click on it, check which country the offer is coming from, then before you start promoting it. All right. Now, after you have selected the offer, you can basically see other options. We have postback tools, we have referral programs, we have payment center, we have account settings. Let me take a short minute or seconds to explain the payment center. The payment center basically is when if you're a marketer just like me, as you're watching this video, you have generated money at the top like this. You want to withdraw this earning, okay, for yourself. You want to withdraw into your local bank account. Then you need this payment center where you're going to insert either your PayPal account or domiciliary account so you can be able to withdraw your money at the end of the month. Every single month, you get paid from CPAGrip, but for AdBlue Media, you get paid every single week. So, but you need to give them where they will send your money to, right? That is the payment center, okay? For referral program, if you refer someone, just like as I'm making this video, and you ask me for a link to register, if I give you the link, and you register through my link, that means I referred you. So I earn a commission from, I don't just earn a commission, I will earn a commission only from the earning that you are going to make. And when they want to pay you, the percentage, which is the commission I make from you, will be sent to me, and then the remaining one will be sent to your own account. The postback tools also have its own offer, but basically we're going to be focusing on these two options first: offer tools and monetization tools. Now, I'm also going to take you down to other ways you can get offers from CPA network, so you can be able to actually get a offer that is suitable for what or how you want to intend to promote those offers, basically. So if I come right over to my dashboard right over here, I'm going to scroll down. And because I scroll down right here, you're going to see other list of offers. I did not click on any of the options on the sidebar, but you can see now that I have other lists of offers which you can actually pick. Most of these offers from here, either from top performing offers or recently added offers. As you can see, let me go up right over here, recently added offers. Some of the offers here, they are paying higher. So you can see this one paying $13.69, this one paying $1.12, and this one is paying, you can see, $11. Okay, but you hardly see some of these offers in the offer tools. Basically, you may not see them, but they are all here. So you can just come to top performing offers or recently added offers, as you can see, and then you grab any of the offers you want to eventually want to promote, and then proceed to the next stage, guys. All right, guys. So the next stage basically is creating a bridge page. Okay. I don't know if you understand what I mean by bridge page. Bridge page is simply a gateway. Okay. Now, for example, a bridge page is where you host and house your offer links, because you don't just click direct links of the offer. If you do that, for example, your audience that you want to promote the offer to, once they click on the direct link, then it does not have a householding. Okay, so you need that bridge page, which is landing page, in order for you to host and list all the offers one after the other. So what you need to do, because people always want, what can I do to simplify the process? So landing page builder, which does not cost you or even take technical process for you to be able to create a landing page in less than a few seconds, Google site will create a simple landing page for you. So all you need to do is to click on big plus, and then once you click on this big plus, you're going to be taken straight right over here. And what you need to do next is just come over here and click on delete. So just remove all the unwanted element. And what you need to do next is to come over to the text box on the sidebar. You can also see other elements. All you need to do is to click each of them one by one and then add them to the interface. And if you add the text box like this, just make sure you type in something and then you embed the link of the first offer. You type in just like that as many offer you want. Basically, if you want 50 offers, all you need to do is to put it right here. If you want 1,000 list of offers, all you need to do is to put them right here. Then before you now generate the link of the landing page. And to generate that link, all you need to do is just simply come to the publish button. And then once you click on the publish button, then you are going to have a unique link for this landing page. And that is what you're going to be sharing anywhere you want people to click your link. So people will click on the landing page before they see the offer itself to click. And that is the funnel that you are building, and that is the gateway that people are going to be coming through in order for them to be able to see the link and click. It will not be a naked link, and that is what is going to be signaled to the CPA network itself as well. All right, guys. So now that you have created your landing page, the next thing is to start pushing traffic to the links of the CPA offers that you have listed right over here. And that is why I'm making this video, to reveal strategies that can use in order for you to get results. Okay. Now, once you publish your landing page and you have created a unique landing page link, which the audience are going to be clicking, the next thing you're going to do is to click on a new tab, and you're going to basically paste this particular website. All right, so this particular website is Telegra.ph. Now, this particular Telegra.ph is more or less like Telegram. So whatever you post right here will be published on public Telegram space, so you can be able to drive direct traffic to your landing page. But take note that you need to target audience. You need to be able to target audience. So based on what you are going to be posting determines where they are going to be distributing your post. If it is going to be distributed to United States, if it is going to be distributed to Canada, UK, any location based on what you have dropped. Okay, so in our post, we're going to define where our post should be published. So if you click on it like this now, you are going to wait for it to pull out, and once it pull out, you're going to see the title. You're going to see where you're going to be writing a short story. So basically, you're going to make your story very short, like maybe 50 character or 100 character. That would be okay. Now, at the end of your character post, you are going to go ahead and enter the link of the landing page. That is exactly the logic. And at the end of the day, you are going to click on published. So let's come over here, grab this free offer, and then you're going to come here and write your story. So let's say this offer will, okay, I'm just giving you example. This offer will help you, okay, will help you to get, let's say, $1.67 into your bank account. Okay, bank account. All right, so now that, let's take this as a short story. After that, you're going to enter key, and then you're going to go ahead and enter the link of the landing page. You're not going to enter the link of the CPA offers, just only the link of the landing page. You're going to copy and place it here, and then after that, you're going to click on published. The biggest challenge in this process, even though you are publishing this and you're going to be getting results, it shows that you need multiple of these links like this in order for you to post as many as possible, so that you can be able to get good number of clicks. Okay, so it is so difficult to actually achieve this in less than 1 month. That is why I have designed a custom direct traffic system. Okay, this custom direct traffic system will help you to actually boost your earning within shortest period of time. But I have good news for you. I know that manually finding these groups and posting every single day can be so much exhausting, and that is exactly why I have designed a custom direct traffic system that I personally use. Instead of stressing yourself out and spending hours struggling to hunt down this right audience, it is so difficult. My system streamlines the whole process so you can be able to route out the right traffic direct to your CPA offer as much faster as possible. Of course, if you want to understand the exact step-by-step process on how I drive this direct traffic, and if you want to get access to the masterclass where I will sit down one-on-one with you, hold you by the hand, and directly walk you through the entire setup, then go ahead and hit on the link below this video. Connect with me through WhatsApp, DM me, and I'm going to respond to you directly. My WhatsApp number will be in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and turn on the bell icon so you can get notified once a new video is published. This is Micro Hustle TV. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.